equilibrium and taxes. The demand function is QD equal A minus BP. QD is the quantity demanded of a good. A is the intercept or a constant, which refers to if price equals 0, quantity demanded equal intercept equal A. Negative refers to the negative relationship between quantity demanded and price. B is the slope of the demand function, which equals change in quantity demanded over change in price. P refers to the price of a good. The quantity supply equation is QS equal negative C plus DP. QS is the quantity supplied of a good. Negative C is the intercept or a constant. If price equals 0, quantity supply will equal to the intercept or equal to the constant. Reflects to what? Reflects to the impact of other variables on quantity supply, such as cost of production, technology, and the prices of other goods. D is the slope of supply function, equal change in quantity supplied over change in price. P is the price of a good. Market equilibrium is quantity demanded equal to quantity supply, QD equal QS. So A minus BP equal negative C plus DB. So if we derive these equations, we will get the equilibrium price equal A plus C divided by B plus D. And the equilibrium quantity equal AD minus BC divided by B plus D. Let's solve an equation. We have quantity demand function QD equal 150 minus 2B and quantity supply function QS equal negative 50 plus 2B. The equilibrium price here equal A plus C over B plus D. We have A equal 150, C equal 50, B equal 2 and D equal 2. So the equilibrium price equal 150 plus 50 over 2 plus 2 equal 50. This is the equilibrium price. The equilibrium quantity equal AD minus BC over B plus D equal 150 multiplied by 2 minus 2 multiplied by 50 over 2 plus 2 equal 50. That is the equilibrium quantity. So we will graph this data. The equilibrium price 50 and equilibrium quantity 50. 75 on the price line. 75 refers to the price if the quantity demanded equals 0. And 150 is the quantity demanded if the price equals 0. This is the intercept 150. Quantity supply line started from negative 50, which is the intercept of the supply function. Suppose the government imposes a quantity tax per unit of the good on consumer by 10. Taxes equal 10. So the demand price will increase from B to B plus T. And the demand function will be QD equal 150 minus 2 multiplied by B plus 10. So quantity demand function equal 150 minus 2B minus 20. 2 multiplied by 10 equal 20. So quantity demanded equal 130 minus 2b. This is the new function of quantity demand. The supply function doesn't change. Still, QS equal negative 50 plus 2b. So we will have new equilibrium price equal A plus C over B plus D. A equal 130, C equal 50, B equal 2 and D equal 2. So the equilibrium price equal 130 plus 50 over 2 plus 2 equal 45. This is the equilibrium price. The equilibrium quantity equal AD minus BC over B plus D equal 130 multiplied by 2 minus 2 multiplied by 50 over 2 plus 2 equal 40. This is the new equilibrium quantity. So the graph will be the demand curve will shift to the left. So the new equilibrium price equal 45, the new equilibrium quantity equal 40. The intercept of the quantity demand function is 130 if the price equals 0, quantity demanded equal 130, and 65 is the price when the quantity demanded equal 0. The tax burden for the consumer is the new equilibrium price, which is 45 plus tax, which is imposed on consumer, which is 10, minus the old equilibrium price, which is 50. So 45 plus 10 minus 50 equal 5. The consumer will pay additional 5 money per unit of the good. And the tax burden for the producer, the new equilibrium price equal 45 minus the old equilibrium price, which is 50. 45 minus 50 equal negative 5. So the producer will receive 5 money less per unit of the good. Suppose the government imposes a quantity tax per unit of the good on producer by 10. P equal 10. So the supply price will decrease from B to B minus T. And the supply function will be QS equal negative 50 plus 2 multiplied by B minus 10 equal negative 50 plus 2b minus 20. So the quantity supply function equal negative 70 minus 2b. The demand function doesn't change. Still, QD equal 150 minus 2b. We will have new equilibrium price equal A plus C over B plus D. Here, A equal 150, C equal 70, B equal 2, and D equal 2. So, equilibrium price equal 150 plus 70 over 2 plus 2 equal 55. This is the new equilibrium price. The new equilibrium quantity equal AD minus BC over B plus D equal 150 multiplied by 2 minus 2 multiplied by 70 over 2 plus 2 equal 40. So the graph will be like this. The quantity supply curve will shift to the left and the new equilibrium price will be 55 and new equilibrium quantity will be 40 and the new intercept will be negative 70 is the intercept of the quantity supply function. Tax burden for the producer will be the new equilibrium price, which is 55, minus tax, which is imposed on producer, which is 10, minus the old equilibrium price. So the equation will be 55 minus 10 minus 50 equal 5. The producer here will lose 5 money per unit of the good. The tax burden for consumer, the new equilibrium price equals 55 minus the old equilibrium price, which is 50. 55 minus 50 equals 5. So the consumer will pay 5 money more per unit of the good. If you have any question, leave a comment and I will answer.